In this video, we're gonna show you how to cancel the subscription on Tidal. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can cancel your subscription. So then, to cancel the subscription, you'll need to log in into your Tidal account after cancel subscription. You're logged into your account. You'll be directed to the home page, and once you're on the home page, you need to go ahead and tap on My Collection. After you select My Collection, it's going to direct you to My Collection page. On this page, tap on the gear. I can look at it in the upper right-hand side corner. As soon as you click on it, it's going to direct you to the account information page. So over here, click on Edit Profile. And after you click on Edit Profile, it's going to show you an option as Manage Subscription under your username. So click on Manage Subscription. Now it's going to direct you to the web. And over here, you'll be able to find an option to cancel my subscription. If you're sure about canceling it, then click on the Cancel My Subscription button, which is right at the bottom, and once again you'll be able to see your confirmation. If you're sure about deleting or canceling yourself option, then click on the Cancel button, and you'll be notified through an SMS or an email that you've successfully canceled your subscription on Tidal. In this way, you can cancel your subscription on the outro Tidal. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. So that's how you canceled Tidal subscription.